Did you know every apple you eat has an extraordinary journey? From delicate blossoms in the orchards to cutting-edge technology processing millions of apples, America's apple industry is a remarkable story of tradition, science, and dedication. Ever wondered what it takes to bring these apples to your table? Apples are a favorite fruit for many people. They are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Welcome to Greenfield's Agriculture Technology. Join us on an incredible journey of growing, harvesting, and processing millions of apples in the USA. In the United States, apple orchards stretch across vast landscapes, from the rolling hills of Washington to the heart of Michigan and beyond. Every year, millions of apples are grown, harvested, and processed, contributing to a multi-billion-dollar industry. The U.S. is one of the largest apple producers in the world, with annual production projected at around 260 million bushels. It all starts with careful planning and preparation. Farmers select the best apple varieties like Honeycrisp, Fuji, Empire, Cortland, Gala, Granny Smith, and Pink Lady. Growing an apple orchard is a rewarding yet long-term commitment that begins with proper soil preparation. Apple trees thrive best in well-drained, loamy soils with a pH level between 5.5 and 6.8. To give them the best start, farmers often enrich the soil by adding well-rotted farmyard manure, compost, or green manure, which improves both soil structure and fertility. After soil preparation, planting high-quality saplings is the foundation of a productive orchard. Although these young trees take several years to mature, their rewards are worth the wait. Once established, they can produce apples for decades. As the years pass, apple trees go through various stages of growth, each requiring specific care. Regular and consistent irrigation is crucial to maintain tree health and ensure a steady yield of high-quality apples. Alongside this, pruning becomes an essential practice. Late winter or early spring is the ideal time to prune, allowing farmers to remove any dead or diseased branches, which helps the trees focus their energy on healthy growth and fruit production. Monitoring orchard health is a year-round responsibility. Many farmers adopt sustainable practices to protect both the trees and the environment, ensuring the orchard's longevity. When the flowers bloom, they rely on pollinators, most notably honeybees, to transfer pollen from one flower to another. This process fertilizes the flowers, allowing them to develop into healthy fruit. Pollination isn't just important, it's critical. Without it, apple trees would produce little to no fruit. This is why many orchard farmers partner with beekeepers, placing hives within or near their orchards during the bloom period. As autumn approaches, the excitement builds. It's time for the harvest. Hundreds of thousands of apples are carefully picked, either by hand or with specialized harvesting machinery. The first and most important step in apple harvesting is knowing the right time to pick. Apples typically ripen between late summer and early fall, depending on the variety. Farmers rely on various signs, such as color, taste, and the firmness of the fruit, to determine the perfect harvest time. Harvesting apples is a delicate process. Farmers ensure that each apple is picked carefully by twisting it off the stem. This technique helps prevent damage to both the apple and the tree. After the harvest, apples go through a post-harvest process that includes washing, sorting, and packing. Once sorted, apples are packed into boxes for distribution to grocery stores, farmers markets, and export destinations. This process requires attention to detail to ensure that only the best apples make it to market. From tree to table, apple harvesting is a complex and rewarding process that connects us to the land, the seasons, and the hard work of farmers. After harvesting, apples are carefully loaded into bins or crates to prevent bruising and damage during transportation. Once the apples arrive at the processing facility, they're weighed, inspected, and prepared for the next steps. The first step at the processing plant is cleaning. Apples are washed thoroughly in large tanks or conveyor systems to remove dirt, leaves, and any remaining pesticides. Next, they are sorted by size, color, and quality. High-quality apples are usually set aside for fresh market sale, while others are processed into juices, sauces, or snacks. One of the most common uses for processed apples is juice and cider production. For applesauce and puree, apples are peeled, cored, and cooked at controlled temperatures. Dried apples and chips are another popular product. This process removes moisture while retaining nutrients and flavor, creating a healthy, shelf-stable snack. Once processed, apple products are packaged in various forms: bottles, cans, jars, or pouches. Apple processing combines modern technology with sustainable practices, transforming this humble fruit into a variety of products we enjoy every day. The next time you sip on apple juice or bite into a dried apple slice, remember the incredible journey it took to get there.